Most people think of sweet potatoes as a Thanksgiving side dish, or maybe something you mash up once in a while when you're trying to eat healthier. But what if I told you that this bright orange root vegetable could quietly be one of the most powerful health tools for anyone over 50? Aging changes everything: our metabolism, our nutrient absorption, and even our gut bacteria. That's why the foods we relied on when we were younger don't always serve us the same way now. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic exception. They're loaded with essential nutrients that older adults are more likely to become deficient in, like potassium, vitamin A, and magnesium. And unlike refined carbs that spike blood sugar, sweet potatoes offer complex carbs that give you energy without the crash. They also contain antioxidants that fight off cell damage, a major part of aging that contributes to wrinkles, inflammation, and disease. Joint stiffness and arthritis are common complaints in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Sweet potatoes help here in two big ways. First, they're a source of beta-carotene and vitamin C, both known to reduce inflammation. Second, when eaten with a bit of fat, like olive oil or avocado, their anti-inflammatory nutrients become even more bioavailable, meaning your body actually absorbs and uses them. Simple idea: roast sweet potato wedges in olive oil, tossed with turmeric and black pepper. That combo, it's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Vision tends to decline as we get older. Cataracts, macular degeneration, and night blindness all become more common. Sweet potatoes actually contain over 400% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A in just one medium tuber, and that's a key nutrient for eye health. When you pair them with greens like kale or spinach, which add lutein and zeaxanthin, sweet potatoes can really become part of your natural eye protection routine. And here's a bonus tip: both the orange and purple varieties have antioxidant pigments that are directly tied to vision protection. If you've ever struggled with irregularity or constipation, sweet potatoes can definitely help. Their fiber content, especially when you eat the skin, supports regular bowel movements and actually feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut. These bacteria influence not just your digestion, but also your immune function and even your mental clarity. So try eating sweet potatoes, steamed or mashed with the skin on, and pair them with Greek yogurt or sauerkraut for a gut-loving combo. As you age, memory becomes a bigger concern for a lot of us. But certain compounds in purple sweet potatoes, especially anthocyanins, have been studied for their brain protective properties. Anthocyanins may reduce brain inflammation and improve neuron function. So, what does that mean for you? Basically, they help keep your memory sharper, your mind clearer, and may even reduce your risk of cognitive decline. Try a purple sweet potato salad with walnuts and apple cider vinegar dressing. It's delicious, brain healthy, and honestly super easy to prep. Your immune system naturally weakens as you get older, but sweet potatoes contain a trio of nutrients that can help: beta-carotene, vitamin C, and manganese. This trio supports white blood cell production, tissue repair, and resistance to infection. Best immune-boosting trick? Make a warm sweet potato and ginger soup. It's just perfect for cold weather and flu season. Despite being sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes. They release sugar more slowly, making them safer for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Want to keep your blood sugar even more stable? Bake them with cinnamon, which has been shown to help regulate insulin sensitivity. Add a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and you've got a diabetic-friendly side dish. One medium sweet potato contains over 500 milligrams of potassium, a mineral that helps reduce blood pressure by counteracting sodium. This is especially helpful for seniors who may be on medications or salt-restricted diets. A simple way to get the benefit? Try mashed sweet potatoes with garlic and olive oil. Delicious, blood pressure friendly, and heart healthy. Sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, is a growing concern, especially after 60. Magnesium, potassium, and slow-releasing carbs all support muscle recovery and strength. Pair sweet potatoes with a lean protein like salmon, chicken, or tofu to maximize muscle support. And yes, even sweet potato protein smoothies are a thing. Add some baked sweet potato to your blender with protein powder, banana, and cinnamon, and you've got a post-walk recovery shake. Vitamin C and beta-carotene in sweet potatoes support collagen production. That means firmer, more elastic skin and, fewer fine lines. And because sweet potatoes also fight inflammation, they can reduce puffiness and redness too. Roast with rosemary and avocado oil for a side dish that, really feeds your skin from the inside out. Sweet potatoes are rich in magnesium and B6, two nutrients that support melatonin production and reduce nighttime anxiety. If you struggle with staying asleep, a small serving of sweet potato an hour before bed could help stabilize blood sugar and trigger natural sleep hormones. Thanks to their fiber and slow-digesting carbs, sweet potatoes help you feel fuller longer and reduce the urge to snack on empty calories. Replace white bread or pasta with mashed sweet potatoes, and you may notice a reduction in cravings and better portion control without feeling deprived. Sweet potatoes are not just comfort food, they're smart food, especially when prepared in ways that maximize their benefits. Eat them roasted, mashed, steamed, or even added to smoothies. Combine them with healthy fats, leafy greens, and lean proteins for a powerful, age-defying meal plan. No pills, no powders, just one root vegetable, 12 health benefits, and countless ways to feel better, naturally. Try it, your body will thank you.